In my YouTube episode of How to Avoid Mistakes When Picking a Kitchen Sink, Al Jan asks, I've been checking stainless steel sinks, but majority of them rust and scratches. What do you recommend? Al, that is an excellent question. I'm glad you asked. The long story short is, if you hate scratches, then for the love of God, please don't get stainless. Benjamin Franklin is credited with saying that there's only two certainties in life, death and taxes. I propose that there is a third. Stainless steel will scratch. Now, if what you're asking is what do I suggest to take care of the scratches? A product called Scratch Be Gone. I've used it many times in my career, and it's the only one that does what it says it's going to do that I've found. You're going to look specifically for Scratch Be Gone. Anything else is just a knockoff. Don't do it. Al, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.